Hello, this is Dawn Kogan, and I am currently a contact teacher for Interior Distance Education of Alaska, otherwise known as IDEA, which is a homeschool program operated by Galena City School District. The main mission of IDEA is to provide resources and support to parents who have elected to educate their children at home and to achieve a partnership with families that honors the efforts and dedication of homeschooling parents. In homeschooling, the parent and student are the key human resources. Homeschool contact teachers assist parents in assessing what grade level students are performing at, choosing appropriate curriculum, evaluating student work samples, and supporting resource acquisition and instruction when requested. We currently have over 4,000 students in the state of Alaska and about 900 students in Fairbanks. This school model is quite different from a building-based school, and culture is still a large part of IDEA's educational organization. 4 teachers have worked at IDEA Region F for as many as 10 to 18 years, and there's 1 new special education teacher this year, and 3, that would make 3 new teachers in the last 2 years. The principal is an 11-year veteran SPED teacher and is currently the Region F school administrator for the 2nd year. And there's a cultural divide that exists between the more experienced teachers and the new hires. Alaska's student math scores have been lower than national averages for the last several years, and IDEA student math scores have been even lower than the national average and are lower than Alaskan scores. And so our administrators have tried to increase students' math scores on the AMP, which did not happen because of a failure of the test, and Alaska is currently in the process of acquiring a new assessment tool for this purpose. In the meantime, parent surveys and STAR assessments can be used for this purpose. In 2015, August, we were told by our director that we needed to develop a math incentive program using online supplemental curriculum to assist IDEA students in increasing their mathematical aptitude and scores on state math assessments. So Region F IDEA teachers collaboratively designed a math incentive program in an effort to meet the following ELCC standards: collect and use data to identify goals, assess organizational effectiveness, and implement plans to achieve school goals, as well as promote continual and sustainable school improvement. We gave our students STAR assessments for pre-STAR and post-STAR, encourage them to use Ascend, which is an online math tutoring program, for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, 4 to 5 days per week, to supplement their main math curriculum. Offered monthly incentive rewards when students reached a 400-minute minimum goal, and teachers accessed the program to monitor student achievement, and taught monthly workshops to promote continual and sustainable school improvement. If you look at the data here, you can see that the number of students who started out participating in the math incentive program actually decreased. In the fall, in August, we had 80 in Region F, and then 66 in November, and by March we only had 47 participating students. If you look at the number of minutes the students completed on average, it started out in November with 483 and decreased each month, except for a little bit of a climb between December and January, and then almost to half, actually less than half of the number of minutes were completed each month by students on an average by March for Region F. And that's true in many of our regions. And here's the Hansen model for outlining the school problem. in the case. And what we've decided by looking at the data is that contact teachers must collaborate to improve math aptitude among students. And IDEA administrators and teachers hope to change parent mindset about math and teaching mathematics from fixed to a growth model. And if parents give their consent, students will take a STAR assessment in January 2017 and again in May 2017. Engaging parents in significant roundtable discussions will require complex interpersonal and professional communications, as well as a commitment to managing creative tension and change, and enhance a culture where professional learning is ongoing and focused. So, IDEA's vision is to improve student math scores as a result of changing parent attitudes about math and teaching math. And we do have a visionary leadership to increase a positive organizational culture between staff members and between parents and staff, because research has shown that a healthy organizational culture leads to higher staff satisfaction and increased student achievement. So starting in January 2017, parents will be invited to attend a 1-hour weekly roundtable discussion for 8 consecutive weeks. The focus of discussions will be a growth mindset approach to mathematics. And the goals are increasing collaboration opportunities for staff, building trust between staff and parents, offering a venue to inspire engaging communication between certified teachers and parents, and encouraging a growth mindset towards math and teaching math and parents. Behavior is a function of people and the environment. By working on a common goal, IDEA administrators hope to improve the behavior of staff and create a positive environment both at the school and in homeschool settings. We realize we can't truly change people unless they have a desire for change, and we also realize that we can attempt to motivate staff and parents by giving them interesting work, challenging activities and goals, and increasing responsibility. This math improvement project is a higher order need that both teachers and parents can work together on. We can change the environment by attempting to meet the needs of homeschool parents. It is hoped that the roundtable discussions will provide support needed by homeschool parents and their students. There are a few barriers to change, which is the absence of test scores, effective and positive staff collaboration. Homeschool parents are generally individualistic, while IDEA's efforts are more collectivist. And there's several others. To increase self-efficacy in parents, short video clips from ucube.com will be shared at the start of the roundtable discussions, and parents will be encouraged to read Mathematical Mindsets by Susan Bowler. To make the job of mentoring homeschool families more interesting, contact teachers will be given increased autonomy in deciding how to deliver student workshops while parents are attending the roundtable discussions. By changing parent mindsets towards math and teaching math, administrators and contact teachers are developing human capacity, which will hopefully affect student achievement.